Hey, it's Gina from WTI. And I don't know about you, but I love to cozy up with a good blanket. I am definitely a summer gal, but something that is helping me to kind of look forward to the colder weather is this absolutely gorgeous blanket from the Glamorous Goat. I got the Otago spring colors, and this is just a gorgeous combination of blues and yellows and greens and oranges, and it just pops with colors. One of my favorite things about this blanket, and I love the unfinished fringe, but the way that it's put together, you can see that it's not going to come apart easily. I find it's the perfect size for me to snuggle up in, or for my husband and I to share, either sitting on the couch or out on our outside bench. This blanket is so soft and snuggly. It's made of 55% mohair, 34% wool, and 11% nylon. This is something that is so well made and is going to last you for a really long time. Now, I did notice when I first got it that it kind of sheds a little bit because it's made from these natural materials. So I went ahead and just put it in a plastic bag and put it into my deep freeze for 3 hours and then shook it out. And since then, it has not been shedding. In fact, you can see it on my black pajamas that there's very few threads. I'm absolutely thrilled with the quality, the colors, and the comfort of this blanket from the Glamorous Goat. It's a perfect gift for someone else, or just keep it for yourself. You're not going to be disappointed, and that's my point of view.